Hello, everyone. Shenzhen Junchun Technology Company Limited, founded in 2015, is an enterprise integrating research and development, production and sales of switching power supply and power adapter. The factory covers an area of 4,000 square meters. The company's products have passed the international certification of ISO 9001, 3C, Unilever, PSE, KC, CE, UKCA, and other multinational countries, and obtain relevant patent certificates. Our factory has a daily output of 2,500 sets, 2 production lines, 12 equipment, and dozens of quality inspection equipment. The company has a high-quality technical team and after-sales service. The main products are applicable to IT digital accessories, lithium batteries for electric vehicles, and small household appliances, medical devices, beauty instruments, surveillance cameras, routers, LED lights, etc. Junchun Technology has been working hard for many years. The integrity, strength, and product quality of the enterprise have been recognized by the industry and have cooperated with many domestic listed enterprises. Welcome friends from all walks of life to visit, guide, and negotiate business, and look forward to working with you to achieve mutual benefit and win-win results. As a reliable and professional manufacturer, we adhere to 100% quality inspection to ensure the high quality of products.